Now let's talk about acids. Without going too much into chemistry, I didn't mean to scare you by this molecular structure here. Glycolic acid probably is the most common acid you've heard of. It's in most of your skincare lines, or if you go for a very light peel in your spa or esthetician, you've had a glycolic acid peel. Acids have a hydrogen atom on the corner on that. You can see this hand that's a little unstable. This hydrogen atom has an electron deficiency that makes it more reactive. What acids do is they react with other molecules, make them unstable, so your dead layer of your skin is going to slough off after you use this for a few days. Now, these acids come in different flavors. The famous ones are these 5: glycolic acid, lactic acid, malic acid, mandelic acid, and salicylic acid. How are they derived? You can see the brown font on the bottom. Glycolic acid is made of sugarcane, lactic acid from milk, malic acid from apple, and so on and so forth. There is a trend in these, right? The molecules are getting bigger as you go from glycolic acid all the way to salicylic acid. Think of it. The molecule that's bigger, it can't penetrate through your skin pores easy, right? So the bigger the molecule, the less reactive and the easier it is on your skin. Therefore, those of you who have very sensitive skin, you're much less likely to have a reaction to salicylic acid than you are when you use glycolic acid. Now, on the flip side, glycolic acid is much stronger than salicylic acid because the molecule is much smaller, so it can penetrate your skin much more effectively, right? Same with lactic acid. If you're sensitive to lactic acid and you don't like the way your skin feels or look, you can switch to another product that contains any of the other acids. These are all the same group of hydroxy acids. They do the same basic thing to your skin, which is thinning of the outer layer, but they do it to a different extent, right? Now, the other thing you can notice is there is a difference in mandelic acid and salicylic acid. They have this ring structure that you don't see in the other acids. This ring structure is an antibacterial effect. So these two, salicylic acid and mandelic acid, have actually some antibacterial effects when you wash your face with something that contains these two acids. Something else that you can notice is that malic acid has a lot of what we call a hydroxy group. This hydroxy group absorbs water. So products that contain malic acid, not only they thin out the outer layer of your skin, they get rid of the old skin, but they also absorb water. So it's sort of a moisturizer too. For those of you with dry skin, when you look at different skincares, if it contains malic acid, you can be assured that not only you're using a hydroxy acid to get rid of your old skin, but also you're helping your skin get moist and softer because these molecules attract more water. Some of you might be familiar with salicylic acid. It's the foundation of aspirin. Salicylic acid is what aspirin is made of. Therefore, salicylic acid has some anti-inflammatory effect, unlike the other acids, right? So if you have folliculitis, for men that shave and they get this redness in their neck, if you have folliculitis in your skin, in your face, if you use a product with salicylic acid, not only you have antibacterial effect from this ring molecule, not only you get thinning of your old skin, but also you have some anti-inflammatory effect from the salicylic itself. I hope this put it in perspective for you how much benefit there is into these hydroxy acids. And we're going to come back because our products contain different hydroxy acids, and Julie and I are going to talk about it in a few slides coming up. Don't worry about the numbers and pH in this slides. Bottom line is, the lower the pH, the stronger the acid. The stronger the acid, the more transformative the acid is going to be. You're going to peel faster. Things are going to move along much faster. You're going to see results faster. Now, people ask us, why is your product different? Why would I get this from, let's say, Liftique or Dr. Hakimi versus buying something online or at Amazon? Medical grade products are stronger. Medical grade hydroxy acids have a lower pH, and you won't be able to find them in the products that are over the counter available. Doesn't make them wrong and us right. It's just, it's a different product. Those are much milder. It's going to take much longer to see the results. Products that you purchase from a medical grade company are much stronger and you see results faster.